The Art and Philosophy of Bitcoin, a Digital Frontier. Welcome, fellow travelers of the digital frontier. Here, where code meets canvas and algorithms dance with dreams, we explore the heart and mind of Bitcoin. I'm your guide, and this is Crypto Rationality, Satoshi Emotion. Today, we're not just asking if Bitcoin could revolutionize global transactions by 2030, we're asking, what if it already is? What if the revolution is a quiet symphony, a subtle shift in the very fabric of how we exchange value, a story written in code and whispered across continents? Imagine a world where the act of sending money is as fluid as a melody, as intuitive as a brushstroke. No more labyrinthine bank queues, no more fees that bleed your soul dry. Just pure, unadulterated exchange. Let's peel back the layers, shall we? Let's explore the poetry and the precision behind this digital alchemy. In 2009, a ghost in the machine named Satoshi Nakamoto gifted us a seed of rebellion, a whisper of freedom. Bitcoin, not just a currency, but a narrative. A story written in the language of code, a symphony composed in the silence of the digital void. Fast forward to today, and that seed has blossomed into a global phenomenon. Not just an investment, but a cultural touchstone, a symbol of defiance against the old guard. A digital haiku, if you will, powerful in its simplicity. Our current financial systems, they're like an old, out-of-tune piano. Each note a transaction distorted by intermediaries choked by fees. The World Bank tells us 6.3% on average and days of waiting. But numbers don't tell the whole story. They don't capture the frustration, the lost potential. Bitcoin? It's the tuning fork, the reset button, the promise of a harmonious exchange. Imagine a weaver in Peru selling their art to a collector in Tokyo, receiving payment in minutes, no middlemen, no barriers. Just a direct connection, a human connection. Bitcoin is the Esperanto of finance, a universal language of value that transcends borders. It's about empowering the unbanked, the marginalized, the dreamers. It's a global canvas where everyone can paint their economic future. The blockchain. It's not just a ledger, it's a living, breathing testament to transparency. A digital masterpiece where every transaction is a brushstroke, immutable and secure. And with innovations like the Lightning Network, we're adding layers, depth, and speed to this masterpiece. It's like adding impressionistic techniques to a classical foundation. Yes, there are shadows. Volatility, regulation, scalability. These are the dragons we must face. But every masterpiece has its challenges, its moments of doubt. And within those challenges lie opportunities. The ongoing dialogue, the constant innovation, these are the brushstrokes that will define the future. By 2030, imagine a world where Bitcoin is as commonplace as the internet. Not just a currency, but a tool for empowerment, a catalyst for change. It's a vision of financial inclusion, of global connectivity, a symphony of possibilities. It's not about replacing the old, but about creating something new, something beautiful, something truly revolutionary. Bitcoin is more than digital gold. It's a story, a movement, a dream. Will it reshape the world by 2030? Perhaps it already is. What are your thoughts? Share them in the comments below. And if you're ready to explore the intersection of rationality and emotion in the world of crypto, like, share, and subscribe. Join the Crypto Rationality Satoshi Emotion community. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep exploring.